It's Friday. We're heading through Richmond up to Colonial Beach, up to Custom T's Motorsports Park for the first night of King of the Beach. Riding with my baby.
Riding with my boo.
Riding with my baby.
Riding with my boo.
We're heading up to, where we heading to today?
Custom T's Motorsports Park.
Heading up to Custom T's Motorsports Park so we can help my buddy here on the trailer.
Oh, he getting over.
Oh, is it?
Oh, no, he's not.
So we're helping my buddy with the Casper car, Tyrone, he got a Grudge race tonight up at Custom T's. So we're heading up there. I don't know if they're running motor to motor or gas to gas. He said it don't matter which way they run. He down for whatever. So we're gonna see what happens. As you can see, it was a long line to get in for this 3-day event. Unfortunately, we were only able to make it Friday night, but it ran until Sunday. Hey!
What's going on?
I don't know. So, we outside.
Look at the graphics on this thing. We at Colonial Beach. The King of the Beach. It's a big tire event, but some of everything is around here. These are the motorcycles. 3 of the motorcycles.
And here we have Casper, aka 804 Most Wanted. Tyrone is getting ready to make a test hit, reconnecting the battery so you can see what it do.
I'm supposed to be going into this bunch of South Carolina. Darlington. This is South Carolina, right? I ain't never seen that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know we got it.
Yeah.
Well, at the end of the day, Tyrone ended up paying the punk out. He felt like his car wasn't running like he wanted it to, so he just paid the punk out, and sometimes it happens that way. They're supposed to do it again, I believe, on October 26th at Virginia Motorsports Park. That weekend I'll be down in Darlington, Strong Island Poop and Custom T event, a big tire race. But I'll be down there. If you're in the area, come on down to Darlington. Even if you have a small tire like me, you can still make a few passes and maybe do some grudge racing. Come on down to Darlington, October 25th, 26th. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.